We are a family-owned business. My father started the business over 20 years ago, him and my mother, and little by little we joined, me and my brothers.
I built this business for my family, for my sons.
My father's pretty much really experienced. He does his magic, he knows his tricks.
They want to take the business. I would like to retire, but not yet. I'm still working. When I'm leaving, people are happy everywhere. Nobody can beat me for the tree work.